Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're taking the hard-hitting concepts from Dr. Roland Roberts' book, 88 Days to Any Goal, and turning them into your personal wake-up call. We're breaking down the insights from a recent deep dive analysis to help you absolutely shatter what I like to call the comfort coma. If you are ready for some ruthless focus, well, you're in exactly the right place. Let's get into it.
So, have you ever promised to change your life but totally failed? Yeah, we've all been there. It's that painful cycle, right? You set this massive goal on a Monday, you're completely fired up to take over the world, and then, boom, by Wednesday, you're right back in your old routines. New month, new plan. New year, new resolution. Same old slide backwards. It's incredibly frustrating. But today, we're going to figure out exactly why that happens, and more importantly, how to stop it cold.
All right, Section 1. The Average Life Trap.
Here is a spoiler alert right out of the gate. Living an average life has absolutely nothing to do with the lack of talent. Nothing. It's actually about this profound truth. When you just keep breaking promises to yourself, your self-respect basically shatters. You start quietly accepting an average life as, normal. But deep down there's this devastating realization that you are living way, way below your true capabilities. That quiet death of your potential, man, that is way more dangerous than just failing at a task.
And the root cause of this trap? Well, society constantly teaches us to chase that temporary dopamine high of starting a new plan. I mean, it's super exciting to set a goal, right? But real transformation requires you to completely stop seeking that instant excitement and actually start embracing ruthless, boring consistency. You literally have to fall in love with the process, not just the thrill of standing at the starting line.
So, how do we actually break free from this? That brings us to Section 2, the 88-day transformation. To break out of this vicious cycle, Dr. Roberts introduces a framework that, thankfully, doesn't require decades of unending patience. It just requires highly focused, intense commitment for exactly 88 days. That's it. 88 is the magic number for completely rewriting your identity, your habits, your entire trajectory. The whole idea is that if you can focus on one single goal for 88 days straight, no excuses, no distractions, no backing down, you will completely alter the direction of your life.
Now you might be wondering, why 88 days? Well, think about it like this. A 30-day challenge just isn't quite long enough to cement a permanent identity shift. I mean, anybody can basically hold their breath for 30 days. On the flip side, a one-year goal, that completely overwhelms the brain. It's exhausting just thinking about it. But 88 days? It hits the absolute perfect psychological sweet spot. It's manageable enough to actually commit to, but long enough that your excuses finally die off and true change becomes permanently hardwired. This all builds into a really structured journey. Phase 1 is excitement. Day 1 at the gym, feeling great. Then comes Phase 2, pain and resistance. Your body aches, motivation completely drops off a cliff, and your old comfort zone is practically begging you to come back. This, right here, is where most people throw in the towel. But if you can just push through that resistance, you cross over into Phase 3, where true, lasting transformation literally becomes your new normal. Now, before you sprint into those 88 days, we've got to look at Section 3, Direction Matters over Speed. Working incredibly hard in the absolute wrong direction is a fatal trap. There's this analogy from the source material that I absolutely love. A powerful sports car is completely useless without a destination. In the exact same way, all your talent, all your hustle, your motivation, it is all completely wasted if you're running in a direction you don't even actually care about. If your direction isn't crystal clear, you're really just spinning your tires and burning fuel. And that brings us to the crucial point of avoiding what's called wrong success. Imagine spending, say, 15 years chasing a massive financial goal or some status symbol you copied from social media. You finally achieve it, and you just feel completely empty inside. You sacrificed your health, your relationships, all for a destination you didn't even really want. You absolutely must find your own true purpose before you hit the gas pedal. Once you've got that direction dialed in, we move to Section 4, Focus Creates New Identity. The real heavy lifting of these 88 days isn't just changing what you do. It's about shifting your focus so intensely that you completely rewire who you are at your core. And the contrast here is pretty stark. Average individuals operate on a mood-based system. Like, if they feel motivated, they work. If not, they scroll. But extraordinary individuals, they're system-based. They build permanent habits. They manipulate their environment to literally force themselves to take action, regardless of how they're feeling that day. Remember, motivation is temporary, but systems are permanent. The harsh reality of high achievement is that success is almost always made up of boring repetitions. Just think about a world-class pianist or an Olympic athlete. They don't just practice when they're struck by inspiration. No way. They endure the boredom. They do the unglamorous, repetitive work behind the scenes long after that initial burst of motivation has completely faded away. And that exact commitment, that is what you're signing up for over these 88 days.
Of course, building this new identity is anything but easy. Section 5. Breaking the comfort zone.
As you step onto this path, you're going to face your absolute greatest enemy. And let me tell you, it is not your competition. It's your own deep-seated desire for comfort. Comfort is like a sweet poison. There's a massive difference between resting to escape your stress, mindlessly scrolling on your phone for 3 hours to avoid reality, and resting to actively recover your energy so you can get right back in the fight. Extraordinary people rest to recover. Average people rest to escape.
Because look, every single time you choose the easy route or numb yourself with a screen, you aren't just taking a harmless little break. You're actively training your brain. You're basically teaching it to become mentally fragile, addicted to excuses, and totally terrified of discomfort. And the ultimate cost of all this? Waking up in your old age filled with massive regret over the unused potential you just left sitting on the table.
Which brings us to our final hurdle today. Section 6. Take imperfect action now. The absolute final step in your 88-day wake-up call is to stop the endless, agonizing cycle of over-preparation and finally actually take the leap. Let's just call perfectionism exactly what it really is, okay? Waiting for the perfect mood, the perfect business plan, the perfect opportunity. It's just a highly sophisticated form of laziness. It's a psychological mask designed entirely to protect your ego from the awkward, messy reality of being a beginner. Honestly, you aren't preparing. You're hiding. The world relentlessly rewards doers way more than thinkers. As the source material points out, you can't learn how to swim by watching YouTube videos. You actually have to jump in the water and swallow some water. You've got to embrace rapid iteration, learn quickly, fail quickly, adapt quickly. Cut down your hesitation and just allow your first steps to be beautifully, wonderfully messy. So, I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. The clock is ticking on your potential right this very second. Stop waiting for a miracle. Stop waiting for the stars to perfectly align. Embrace the boring repetitions, totally shatter that comfort coma, and find out exactly who you can become when you truly commit. If you start today, who will you be in 88 days? The choice is entirely yours. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.